So I did a review of the pfSense sg-1000 micro firewall, and I just added some updates. The people at Netgate, the wonderful developers over there, reached out to us and sent me some updates to let me know that this feature in particular was now supported, which the Alt-Q is the traffic shaping feature. Now, the other thing they let me know was my speed results were kind of low. And I thought that when I did the video, and I have made some notes in this video, the original one, that I'm going to be retesting it, and that's what this video is about, is making an updated video to retest the Netgate for speed. Now I want to show you my test setup here, which is my laptop running the iperf3, which they recommend to run, because that's what they want to test with, and that I'm just plugging in directly from a gigabit switch into the sg-1000, and then from there to my laptop. Simple as that. And the other test I'll be doing is just bypassing the Netgate device, the sg-1000, and just plugging into the same network and doing a speed test there to get the two different results. Now, I went real quick here and reset and loaded up the latest firmware on a standard Netgate sg-1000. Looks like the built on March 1st. So we have a brand new build. It's the 2.40 beta, and today is also March 1st. Now I'll show you which network I'm on the connection information here. I am on the .1 network, so we're going to do the first speed test on there using iperf. Now, I'm just using iperf-S on my laptop, and then on my desktop here, I'm connecting to that computer. So let me pull this up. All right, and let's do a speed test here. Now, we're definitely seeing faster than before. On the old video, I was only getting like 94 megs a second. I am clearly getting 134. Now, they'd also pointed out, and they would be correct in saying, is 94 would be something if you were doing a 100 megabit switch. Now, other than these using iperf3 versus iperf, it's the same switch, my same desktop. I haven't replaced any of the computers, and it's just as you've seen here. So I don't know why, but they are correct in saying that those speed results were slow. So I'm actually getting 134 out of it. Now, they said there was some other speeds that they were getting out of it, so I wanted to show this test. Don't use this as a definitive test. This is me saying if I'm doing it right. I'm running iperf on the computer. I'm not running this directly on the Netgate device. I'm running it on my desktop to my laptop via a hardline connection to a gigabit. So I'll run it twice just to show the results aggregated here. And you can see in the bottom the CPU usage going up when I do this. So we're seeing a pretty consistent 134 megs a second out of this. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch it over and plug my computer in directly. So you're going to watch the network drop real quick while I do this. All right, now I'm on the same .3 network as the laptop. So now my IP address is 3.9, and we're going to do a speed test. Same switch, same cables, same everything, other than bypassing it. I just use the joiner to put the cables together. And you can see it is a gigabit switch, and I am getting now the full speed of, well, this gigabit switch. 941, we'll do it twice. So 941 versus when we're going through the box. Now, good news is 134 is definitely better than I got before. They gave me some results that were higher. I just wanted to highlight my testing process. Please leave your comments in below or email me. Reach out, contact me, and let me know if I'm testing this wrong or if there's something I'm just miscalculating or not understanding. But you can watch the command I'm using. It's just iperf here. And then on my laptop, I'm just using iperf3-S for server, and the IP address is the one here. There's nothing else in between these devices. So it's, the same. That's my little quick update on this. I'm also emailing this over to the Netgate folks so I can show them my test results and make sure. But nonetheless, the device having the traffic shaping is huge because that's a big reason we like pfSense. So these devices, definitely, this makes a big difference because now it's over 100 megs a second in transfer. Well, based on my tests, I may be doing wrong, but it's also has the traffic shaping, which is huge because, one, a lot of people don't have that fast of a connection that they're running it on. If you wanted some traffic shaping and basic inexpensive device without going over to the larger, more enterprise class devices, it's a good buy at that point, because that's a big feature that a lot of people want, is be able to do some bandwidth shaping and prioritize the traffic for like VoIP phones. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick little video on this, and like I said, please let me know if I'm wrong. I'm actually asking, because normally people just tell me I'm wrong, but let me know how I'm wrong and what I'm doing wrong if I am wrong. Thank you, and if you like the content here, like and subscribe.